What is a CRM? Hi everybody, I'm John Lincoln with Ignite Visibility, and today I'm going to talk to you about what a CRM is, and then I'll give you a little bit of insight into it as well. Let's dive into it. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can get more videos like this in the future. So CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and this is a technology for managing all of your customer relationships and interactions online. First, I'll say, if you don't have a CRM for your customers, you should set one up. Second, I'll say, there's a lot of different options out there. And third, I'll say, you should go with one of the major options if you can, because they generally have more support and more abilities to do the things that you're going to need as your organization scales. I guess the fourth thing I'll say is that CRMs are more tied to digital marketing than they ever have been before in the history of digital marketing. With changes in cookies and a big reliance on first-party data, and the ability to connect CRMs in some ways to advertising platforms, it is becoming critical that you understand the relationship between your CRM and your digital marketing. So let's talk about that a little bit more. How are CRMs connected to digital marketing? 1, somebody fills out your lead form and they immediately go into a CRM. 2, somebody attends an event and they go into your CRM. 3, somebody wants to become a customer, they go into your CRM. 4, somebody becomes a customer, they go into your CRM. 5, once somebody is a customer, they get assigned to somebody in your CRM who manages that customer. 6, anything goes on with that customer, the CRM tracks all of that information. 7, if somebody needs to offboard as a customer, that's noted in the CRM. 8, if you want to advertise to somebody who hasn't become a customer yet in your CRM helps you identify who those people are. If you want to advertise to somebody who used to be a customer in your CRM helps you identify that. Overall, within your CRM, it is critical that you track people by customer, by lead, by marketing qualified lead, sales qualified lead, by current customer, by customer lifetime value, by all the different products and services that they have with you as a customer, when they have churned as a customer, and then you use that to drive the foundation of your digital marketing. In addition to that, we're seeing a lot of people doing more data enhancements lately where they are looking to consistently beef up the data that they have in their CRM by adding more information to their customer profiles in their CRM. Salesforce, Infusionsoft are a few examples of CRMs. If you have any questions about a CRM, leave them below. I'd love to answer, or any comments. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.